Hello everybody, and welcome back to another tutorial of crocheting. In this tutorial we're going to see this stitch, the knit stitch and the purl stitch, made by using the crochet hook. So I will explain a little bit how I realized the basket, and you can find written instructions on my blog. So I've started by making the magic ring and 8 single crochets into the ring. Then I've made the first round, 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the same stitch of the chain, and then in each stitch 2 single crochets. Then in order to make the second round, you can repeat the first round, which is 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and 2 single crochets in each stitch throughout the row. And in order to make the third round, we make 1 single crochet, and in each stitch we make 1 back loop single crochet, which means we insert the hook here. This is the back loop. This is as you can see, we have 2 loops here. This is the front, and this is the back loop. And during the third round, we insert the hook here. We make 1 single crochet in each stitch by inserting the hook here in the back loop, and that is what we call back loop single crochet. If you want to make bigger the base of the basket, you can add another round and make 1 chain and 1 single crochet into the same stitch in which you have made the chain, and then make 1 single crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches, 2 single crochets in the next one, 1 single crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches, and 2 single crochets in the next one, 1 single crochet in each one of the next 2 stitches, and 2 stitches and 2 single crochets in the same stitch. So, and then I've made 4th round, 1 chain, 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and 1 single crochet in each stitch throughout the round. Then for the rest of the basket, I've made 1 chain and 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and then I've made the ribbed stitch, which is 1 knit stitch here with the V, 1 single crochet here in this position, and 1 single crochet here in the back loop. Again, 1 single crochet here with the V, and 1 single crochet in the back loop here, and again 1 single crochet here with the V, and 1 single crochet into the back loop here, and last time 1 single crochet here in between, and 1 single crochet in the back loop here. Thanks for being with me. Till next time, bye bye.